Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install PayPal app in your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So first of all, I just need to make you clear that PayPal don't have any specific app for your PC. They only have website. But we can create a shortcut that's work as the app in your PC. So let's do it. First of all, I just open my Firefox browser. Here you can see, and then you can see I open PayPal website. Here you can see www.paypal.com. Right now you can see there have a small lock icon. You can see I just need to select and drop it to my home page. So here you can see PayPal shortcut on here. You can easily open it and you can easily use your PayPal website or PayPal account from here. So that's it guys. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.